What is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Forrest Rippleton, aka K-Swag. You dig? I told y'all I was gonna be having my room tour today. Let me put a shirt on for y'all, you dig? You know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna introduce y'all to the bros, introduce y'all to the crib. So where can we start? Okay, we got Anye Wolf over there, you know what I'm saying? This is the singer guy. He is the singer, rapper, take your girl, all that shit. We got the man behind the camera. We got the photographer, the graphic designer, the fucking fashion designer, you know what I'm saying?
That's mercy.
And we are in here in our sanctuary, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go in Poetic's room. He's the only one who has his own room in here, so we're gonna just go in. Okay, we're not gonna go in there, but yeah, that's Poetic's room. We sleep out here. This is my room, our room. This is where I sleep, you guys. That's where he sleeps. He sleeps in the studio at all times. His blow-up mattress is over there.
I'll use that.
That's his blow-up mattress.
That's my stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys over to where we shit, piss, and shower. We have a light in there. Dims. It dims. Okay, this is the bathroom where all the business happens. Okay. This is where it all happens. Now we can get out of here, alright? This is the kitchen where no cooking happens. This is the ladder. We'll introduce you to that in a minute. But this is the kitchen. It's really small. You can touch both sides of the wall. I mean, ladies, if you can cook, please holla at me. We need some ladies in here to cook for us. We're hungry at all times. This ladder, you're probably wondering why this is right here. There's two little buggies up there. That side is like a bed thing. I mean, there's no bed in that one. But on the other side, there's a bed in that one, as you can see. Nobody really sleeps up there because it could be spiders. And nobody wants to sleep with any spiders. I'm not a fan of those. Okay, what else is in here? Stuff is up there. Stuff is in here. I'm not gonna open it. Duh. You know my favorite part of the house is? Follow me.
The sunglasses.
This is my favorite part of the house. You know me. I love a good mirror. I can look at myself at all times. I can be a snack at all times. Model pose, model pose, model pose. Protect your girl. And also, let me show you the view. Look at this beautiful view of New York, guys. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my goodness. Look at the people outside, the cars outside. I love it. And this is the other side. This is the other side. Know what I'm saying? Now, like I was saying, I should have did a room tour of our first place so we can compare this one. This is way much better than the other place. We had the whole apartment. The other place we just had like a little room and had to be in a small space with these stank motherfuckers. They get on my nerves. But yeah, this is so much better. We're waiting on one more person, Ali. When you see this, sorry you had to be left out, but we'll see you in the next video, okay? We have a TV right here. Nobody uses. Nobody. So yeah, this is our place. It's so beautiful. I love this place. We all get along. We all are just creatives in a creative space. We're in New York, where all creatives are. Yeah, it's been cool. I told you guys if you've seen my 1 month recap how it is in New York. So I'll give you a 2 month recap after this month. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. It was kind of fast. Sorry about that. I mean, it's nothing really to, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, hope you guys like the shades. But yeah, it's your boy Forrest Rippleton. I don't know what he's doing back there. But it's your boy Forrest Rippleton, aka K-Swag. And stay tuned to the next video. I hope you guys like the room. We'll give you like a big picture of it after this. And just make a big scene of it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys yeah, I'll just show you all around, and I'll see you next video. You did.